Today, we talk about...
All right, I am running out of sunlight, so we're gonna do this last pair real quick, especially because a lot of y'all don't really care for these, so I don't really want to waste precious sunlight on this. Okay, boom. Oh my God, bro, wow. Talk about looking better in person. Holy cow, I don't even know what to say. So for the quick history blurb, because there isn't much on this anyway, let me just insert it here with a bop. Bop. And let's just try these on. Wow, let's talk about what are those, bruh. The purple there with the Nike Air, and then bop to the bop bop with the gradient, and then that, and then couple that with that bop. Oh my load, my guy. This is unreal right now. I am so glad I didn't talk myself out of getting these. Really happy with these. Really happy with these. Oh my God. And I'm gonna cut it there. We'll see you on the next one. We out. Bye.